Okay, seatbelt day. Now, this one here is a Mustang 2. Notice the opening and the stem here, the way it is. This one here is actually not a Mustang 2. Notice it has a different stem and a different opening. I did some research and I found out that this is actually a Pinto. Plus, if you look at the serial number here, that one does not say Mustang on it. But it will still work. So before I put this together, I have to put these on. These are what go onto the pillar of between the glass and the door. Oh, they're supposed to have this. Well, nice little squirrels ate this one off. But if you have these and you don't know how to take them off, they go just like that. So you take a screwdriver, you put it right in there, and they'll pop right off. Because see, there's little snaps now. Now be careful with these. You don't want to rip them right off. And then when you put your belt loop for the seat belt, it sits in these tabs here. And then you put the bolt through it, and then you close it up when you're done. So I'll just demonstrate with this one. See those tabs? Put front ones on first. Hear that snap? And you're good to go. Alright, let's get started. Alright. So you first put this part through. Seatbelt together, and you put that through the hole as well. Now there is a tab. There's only one way, so this way is the right side, this way is the left side. It's a slit that it goes into. Just like so. See that? That slit and the hole line up perfectly. Now, take your bolt, put it in there. Take your bolt, put it on the top one. And you put it on the bottom one. Just remember this rubber grommet, it goes on the inside. Okay? And then you put this one in place. And there you go. And that is how you put the seatbelt on the Mustang 2. So if you guys do not have a torque ratchet, do not worry. Just get a longest pipe you can find, and when you zap these down, just crank it down a little bit more. Don't crank it to a point where it breaks, but crank it down a little more, because it's supposed to be 25 foot-pounds of torque on each one. That's what the book calls for anyway. But if you don't have one, like I said, don't panic. Just get yourself a pipe. So that's all I have for this episode. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright,